Hello and welcome back. So today I'm in the passenger seat. It's a bit of a non-planned video. I've got about 40 minutes before I have to go out to work, and the interior it's not looking too great. You know, from just looking at it, you got a few little grease marks there, and obviously I've still got the plastic mats in. It's just a bit dusty, just a bit not very nice, you know, all down there. And the seats are all getting covered in hair. So I just wanted to do a really quick interior clean. And I thought it was a perfect time to actually use the Auto Perfection dashing, which is basically their overcoat. Basically a bit of protection, but a really nice shine and seal all over it. And I just want to give it a bit of a test, and also give out another test for the Pro Edgeless buffing, because on the exterior, on their quick detailer, hopefully you saw in the previous videos, it's amazing. You know, it's so smooth, so easy to go on, the pluffing, and it's just really, really nice. So, but as I say, Auto Perfection, they don't sponsor us, but we're working in partnership with them. So they don't send us any products, but they give us 20% off, and that 20% off we can pass on to you guys. So check out in the link below the 20% off. It's Splodge20, and you can save yourself a couple of pennies. As I say, just a normal crappy Halfords cloth, just to actually grab some of the other crap, and then your actual Auto Perfection Pro Edgeless buffing towel. What we're going to do though is start from the top, work our way down, and go grab the old Dyson Hoover. I'm probably not going to do the back because it doesn't really need to be done. It doesn't get used that often. I don't know if you guys want to do a full walk around, but that's the plan, of basically give the car a super nice clean at some point. But exteriorly, it's not that great. Don't know if you've seen up on the Instagram as well. If you do follow us, if not, quick plug, follow us now. And with that you can see some of the photos that go up, and actually the car's not been washed in about 350 odd miles. Yeah, 385 miles, car's not been washed, and some of the photographs that are coming up from the car still popping, and that's down to the annoyingly not here, but the Auto Perfection quick detailer that's actually on top of that, because it's just really good, and it lasts a very, very long time. But you'll see the photo hopefully if you check it out. If not, I might be able to put it up now. As you can see, the photo looks absolutely fantastic. What we'll do though is we'll move on and we'll get some cleaning done. So, as I said, it's a bit of an impromptu video, but I wanted to do it, and so that's what we're doing. What I like to do when I do interiors is start from the top so everything falls to the bottom basically, and keeping your little plastic mats. So with just a crappy cloth, I'm just gonna give it a little wipe over, because we're gonna finish this after. You can also use the glass cleaner on the inside, and Auto Perfection also do a really nice interior cleaner. I'm not gonna really need to use it because the Alcantara seats aren't actually dirty, they're just dusty, and you know, the little bits, they're not got stains or anything like that, because I don't let anyone eat in the car. No, that's a lie, actually I do. But we'll just give everything all wiped down, all these little plastics, the screen. And again, this is just to try and brush off most of the dirt and the crap. And let's get hoovering. Sort of regenerates the life of the door again. Again, it's not an old car or an old door, so it's not like I'm cleaning the most disgusting car, or you know, cleaning the dirtiest car I've ever cleaned. Because it's not, because I try to look after this. Wow, I'm really impressed with that. That's really nice. Unfortunately, the light's not going to be perfect. Got little red lights on, which is nice. But I'm very, very impressed with that. Okay, let's do the rest now. Into that mess. We'll get a nice sort of pedal box photo eventually, once it's all clean, but let's work that through. Unfortunately, I've run out of time, but hopefully you can see it's getting a million times better. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to give the pedals a full clean. You can see there's all dirt and everything on the inside. Need to get the APC in there and remove all the carpet bits. But I'll have to do that another time when I've got a bit more time. But I'm going to move this one anyway. Yeah, see, it's not that great under there. You can see the big difference is these two products have made. I'm 100 times happier now, because it's just nice and clean ish. Let's not look down there. As I say, I'm going to do a full clean on those when I do the full walk round, but hopefully you can see the differences. It's just going to be a slightly nicer experience on the inside. As I say, I've given a quick wipe down to these little centre console bits. I haven't touched the outside, haven't touched the back. The whole car needs a full clean, but hopefully that's sort of done a bit more of a show on the Auto Perfection dashing interior sort of finisher. It's more of, it's not a cleaner, it's a bit more of a, just an over little, give that little glossy effect, freshly cleaned sort of look, which is what I was really going for. That's all I really needed. But unfortunately the car itself is absolutely filthy. But that's not the point of the video. So as I say, a quick overview of what those two products can do. Definitely would recommend, as I say, checking out the Auto Perfection line. It'll be in the link description below, and you'll get 20% off as well if you use the code Splodge20. Hope you have enjoyed the really quick impromptu video. Sorry if it's not come out fantastic quality, but that's just what we're doing in terms of working with time that we have. So thank you very much. Like, subscribe if you haven't. We've hit over 100 subscribers, which is fantastic. Really happy about that. And go follow us on Instagram as well, because we've got 200 followers on there. Send us photos of your cars and stuff. We love speaking to you guys, seeing what you're doing, seeing what you're doing, seeing how you're using any different products. If you do buy the Auto Perfection stuff, let us know. But it's really cool to see what your opinion is of the things. As I say, we're not sponsored by them, but they just help us out and we help you out. That's the whole point of it. If you did like this video, go check out the other ones, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a lovely rest of your day and stay nice and safe. Thank you very much. Bye bye.